So let's start off with the part two of trigonometric tables, and we'll start off with the first question. So let's say the question given is, we have been given sine of theta is equal to 0.5798, and we need to find the value of theta. So we'll go down and we'll check for 0.5798. So in this table, we'll search for 0.5798. So I can see here 0.5798. So see, we don't have 98 here, but we have the closest and less than 0.5798, which is this 0.5793. Now I'll just write this here, 0.5793. What we needed was 0.5798. Let's subtract because the difference is something which we need to remember. So difference is 5. So if I go here and I'll check what is the difference of 5. So this is here, right? So now we know what would be the answer. The answer for theta would be, so theta would be 35 degrees. And for minutes, we'll just go up from here, right? And we'll go up from here. So let's go and check out what is that for minutes and degrees. So here we go. Here. So this is one for minutes. So for understanding sake, I'm just making this line. So that is here, and this 5, the mean difference of 5. We go here, 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 here. This is 2 minutes, right? And here we find it is 24 minutes. So what should be the answer? The answer will be 35 degrees, 24 minutes, and plus 2 minutes we add. So the final answer is 35 degrees, 26 minutes. Okay, this was the question for sine. Now let's go to cos. So we'll go to the table for cosine. So we get natural cosine. So let's take a question. Again, let's say given. So let's say you have given cos theta is equal to 0.4457. Find theta. So 0.4457. So let's again check the table and see where we can find that. So 0.4457. So just searching for that. Okay, here I can see 0.44, but we don't have 57, but we have the closest, which is 0.4446, the closest one. And what is the corresponding degrees? 63. And clearly we can see the minutes, 36. Okay, so we got 0.4446, but what we needed 0.4457. So again there is a difference, we subtract, and what we get is 0.11. So this is the difference, right? And 11 is the difference, and we go here. Now see, we don't have 11, so we'll go to the closest. So the closest we can find is 10. Closest is 10, and this gives us 4 minutes, right? So what will be a final answer? The final answer in this case would be theta is equal to 63 degrees. We get 63 from here. And now in cos, if you remember, we always used to subtract. So 36 minutes minus 4 minutes. So this will give you 32 minutes. So this is the answer. Okay. Now let's check one more question based on tan. So let's go to natural tangents. Now let's say again we have a question, a similar question which says given tan theta is equal to 0.8516. Find theta. So in this case again we'll check where is 0.8516. So let's check. So this is the table for tan, and I can find zero point 0.8 here, 0.8516. So this is the one which is lowest, which is lower than 0.8516. 8516 and closes, right? So this is how many degrees? 40 degrees. Okay. And we'll take this up to just see what is the minute. Okay. And let's check out the difference. So 8511, what we needed was 0.8516. If we subtract, we'll get difference of 5, and we'll check the difference of 5 in the same row, and difference of 5 is here, and we'll take this up to check what is that answer. So let's see what we get. Okay, so here it is. So here and here it is for the difference. So for the difference is just 1 minute, and this is 24 minutes. Okay, so what this will be the final answer? So here we had 40, so the answer would be 40 degrees, and here we have 24 minutes and the difference is 1 minute, so we add the difference, so it would be 40 degrees 25 minutes. So this is how we use trigonometric tables, and as we had discussed in the last lectures, these tables will be provided to you in school, so you don't need to memorize this, and you can easily find the values of sine, cos, tan or theta. This is more widely used in physics and chemistry when we do numericals, when we need to find the value of theta. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.